Congratulations, Purdue University Global graduates! The time to celebrate is coming soon. Here's some information and a few pointers that will help you plan for one of the most rewarding experiences in your academic journey. Check-in. You can check in beginning 1 hour prior to the start of your ceremony. Check the website for your ceremony start time. When you check in, it is important that you retrieve your reader card. You will need to hand it to the reader as you cross the stage and your name is announced. If you think the reader might have trouble pronouncing your name, please write it the way it sounds. The venue will be open 1 hour prior to the start of the ceremony. Those of you who check in Saturday morning should arrive 40 to 60 minutes before the ceremony. Guests can arrive when you do and should enter the auditorium to be seated. 30 minutes before the ceremony begins, all graduates are to report to the staging area. There, you will line up by the number indicated on your reader card. Ambassadors dressed in black Purdue Global shirts will be in the staging area to help you find your place in line. Next, you will be led into the theater for the processional for your moment in the spotlight. Remember, friends and family who cannot attend the ceremony may be watching you on Facebook Live. After a few comments from the Purdue University Global Chancellor and the keynote speaker, you will be led to the stage. Get ready for your close-up. Professional photographers will be ready to take your photo as you cross the stage, which will be available a few weeks after the ceremony. As you approach the stage, hand your card to the reader, who will announce your name as you receive your diploma cover and handshake. We will start with doctoral graduates, followed by master's graduates, who will be hooded on the stage. You will then proceed to receive your diploma cover. Undergraduates, you will then have your name announced and proceed to receive your diploma cover. As you exit the stage, you'll be directed back to your seat. At the conclusion of the ceremony, the Purdue Global Chancellor will acknowledge your degree. Soon after, you will be directed to proceed out of the theater to meet your guests in the lobby. You worked hard for this moment. Enjoy every minute of this celebration of you and your accomplishments. Remember, take lots of photos using hashtag #PurdueGlobalProud. Congratulations! Be proud, because we're proud of you.